Hello. Hello students, we are going to start. In this video we'll discuss what are the values of sine 0, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degree and all that, so that we can solve all these questions based on these angles. So first of all we are going to define what is the value of sine 0. So you now just see, let this is A, this is B and this is C. This is perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. Let this angle is sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now similarly cos A is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. Now tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. Similarly cot A is base upon perpendicular. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base, and cosec A is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now if we say that this angle theta is going to be 0, it means if it is 0, it means if angle A is equal to 0, it means P will be equal to 0 and H will be equal to B. So here we are putting, so sine 0 we are getting 0, here P and H are same, so this is going to be 1, here P, so it is 0, here B upon 0, so it will tend towards infinity. Here H and B both are same, so it is equal to 1. Here H and P is 0, so this is going to be infinity. So you can see when angle A is 0, then sin A is equal to 0, cos A is equals to 1, tan A equals to 0, cot A equals to infinite, sec A is equal to 1 and cosec A is equal to infinity if angle A is 0. Now we are moving to next type. When angle A is say for 90 degree, then what will happen? So we are taking a right angle triangle. Let this is A, this is B and this is C, and this is angle is 90 degree. If again A is 90 degree, in that case what will happen? This is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So if these two angles are 90 degree, in that case what will happen? That P will be equal to H and B will be equal to 0. So sine 90 degree will be equal to P upon B. So P upon H. So H and V will equal to 1. Similarly, when we are discussing about cos 90 degree, so this is going to be base upon hypotenuse. So it is a base, since base is 0, so cos 90 is 0. Similarly, when we are talking about tan 90 degree, so tan 90 degree is perpendicular upon base, so it is B upon 0, which is tending towards infinite. Similarly, if we are talking about cot 90 degree, so it is a base upon perpendicular, so here base is 0, so this is going to be 0. Now we'll discuss sec 90 degree. So sec 90 degree is nothing but H upon B. So you can see that when we are talking about P is 0, so this is going to be 90 degree, infinite, and cosec 90 degree is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and hypotenuse perpendicular are same, so this is going to be 1. So you can see how we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios at 90 degree. Now in the next we are going to discuss about values of if angle A is 30 degree, then what are the other trigonometrical ratios. So for finding out the values of all the trigonometric ratios, we are here going to make a equilateral triangle. Say for this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. So now we are taking it as this angle is 30 degree, this is going to be 60 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. Here also we are taking 30 degree and this is 60 degree. So if it is A, say for it is 2A, it is 2A, so it is 2A. Let this is point D. So we can see that AC is equal to 2A, AD is equal to A because it is the midpoint. Now we can find out DC, CD. How to find out CD? So CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square. So CD square or AD square equals to A square, and this is equal to 4A square. So it is CD square is equal to 3A square. So CD is equal to A root 3. So we can find out, say for a sine 30 degree in triangle ACD. So sine 30 degree is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is A upon 2A, which is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, if you see cos 30 degree, so cos 30 degree is nothing but CD upon AC. So CD is nothing but A root 3, and this is equal to 2A. So A gets cancelled. It is equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, if you talk about tan 30 degree, so tan 30 degree is nothing but AD upon CD. So AD is A and CD is A root 3. So this is coming out to be 1 upon root 3. Now cot 30 degree. So cot 30 degree is nothing but CD upon AD. So it is A root 3 upon A, which is equal to root 3. Now sec 30 degree. So sec 30 degree, as you know that it is 1 upon cos 30 degree. So this is going to be 2 upon root 3. Now cosec 30 degree, you know that it is 1 upon sin 30 degree. So this is equal to 2. So in this way you can find out all the angles. So similarly you can find out from this angle itself, triangle itself, sin 60, sin 30, cos 30, tan 60, cot 60, sec 60, and all the angles. So there is no need of deriving further. We are just going to make a chart so that you can remember the things. So we are moving to next page. Say for sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and this is 1. This is 1, this is root 3 by 2, it is 1 by root 2, it is 1 by 2, it is 0. It is 0. This is tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. This is 1 root 3. This is infinite. And this is infinite. This is root 3. 1 by root 3. And this is 0. Here it is 1. It is 2 upon root 3. It is root 2. It is 2. It is infinite. Now it is infinite. It is 2. It is root 2. 2 upon root 3, and which is equal to 1. So this list you have to be ready for, because questions will come based on these table. So you should remember all these details of the trigonometric ratios. Now we are moving to next question. Next to solve some question. Say for question number 1. Find value of twice of cos 4 power 460 degree plus sine to the power 4 30 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cot square 45 degree plus 3 sec square 30 degree. So now you see the solution. As per table, you go and see cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 to the power 4. Sine 30 degree is also 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus tan square 60 root 3 to the power 2, cos 45 1 square plus thrice this sec 30 is nothing but it is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square. So what we are finding is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 plus 1 plus thrice 4 upon 3, 3 gets cancelled. So 2 into 2 by 16 minus 4 plus 4, so 4 gets cancelled. So 4 upon 16, which is equal to 1 by 4. So you can see how we are using the trigonometrical table to solve this kind of questions. Moving to next question. Find theta if twice of sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. Now you see that sine 2 theta is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Now this root 3 by 2, this is equal to basically sine 60 degree. So we can equate 2 theta equals to 60 degree. So theta is going to be 30 degree. So in this way we can find out the value of theta. Now we are moving to next. Say for third question. Find x if tan 3x is equal to sine 45 cos 45 degree plus sine 30 degree. So what we can see, it is 1 by root 2, this is 1 by root 2, sine 30 is again 1 by 2. So what we are finding, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but tan 45 degree. So 3x is going to be 45 degree, so x is going to be 15 degree. So we can solve using the tables. So now we are moving to our next question. Or if cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. So for solving this type of question, we are just dividing by sin theta, by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta, here also by cos theta, whole divided by cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. So this gets cancelled. So what we are finding, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta, which is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. So you can see, just you can compare that tan theta is nothing but root 3 and this is nothing but 60 degree. So you have to solve this question like this also. Now we are moving to next question. If sin a plus b is equal to 1 and cos a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2, then find AB. How to find AB? So in this case you can see that a plus b is equal to 90 degree and here a minus b is going to be 30 degree. Simply add, so a is going to be 60 degree. Similarly you put here, so b is going to be 30 degree. So simply using the table you can solve this type of questions. So I think that's all in this video. Please try to understand the each and every concept, watch the full video, please refer to your friends and subscribe also. Thank you.